Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. So if you want to change your straps, first you will need to remove the old ones, and to do this, flip your watch around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. And basically you need to pull it towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on this lever, it will release the strap on one side and you can then pull it out. You can do it on the other side, like this. And this mechanism is quite simple. Basically you have holes on each side of the watch, and usually the pins on the straps are locked in those holes. And if you pull on this lever right here, it retracts the pin, which lets you to pull out the strap. Quite simple. And here we have straps, our watch, and let's say you get the new ones and you want to put them on. You grab the strap, you take the side opposite of the lever, this one, this side, you insert it into a hole on the watch, then you pull on the lever, come on, align it and release it, and once it locks in, it will hold. Quite simple as well. Like this. Okay, and here we have it. The straps are attached, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.